In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of obtaining a real estate license in the state of Illinois. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you're looking to make a change, becoming a real estate agent can be a rewarding and fulfilling profession. So let's get started. The licensing process is fairly simple, just follow these 5 steps. 1. Must be at least 18 years old. You will need a high school diploma or equivalent, a GED will work. 2. You will need to complete a 75-hour pre-license course through an approved educational provider. 3. Take and pass the licensing exam with PSI. 4. The Real Estate Commission will require you to answer a background questionnaire about your criminal convictions to process for a background check. 5. After obtaining a background check, you would then gather all of your required documentation and submit your application to Illinois DFPR. And that's it. In order to get a real estate license in the state, you must complete 75 hours of pre-license real estate education. Perry Real Estate College offers the course 100% online, available 24/7, completed at your leisure. Each new licensee is required to pass a state licensing exam, administered by PSI. The exam is broken down into 2 sections, a national portion and state portion. Each section must be passed with a 75% to pass the test. Once the test is passed, you will be given a couple forms. Those forms must be filled out with your new principal broker and sent into the commission with your license application. The Illinois Real Estate Commission requires each new licensee to obtain a background check before being eligible to obtain a license. The applicant will need to answer a questionnaire about their criminal background history. The commission will evaluate each person's criminal history on a case-by-case basis. If you are unsure if you will be eligible, please confirm with the commission. Once you've passed the licensing exam, it's time to apply for your real estate license. You'll need to fill out an application, submit any required documentation, and pay any fees. You can find the application and more information on the Illinois Real Estate Commission's website. So that's a quick overview of how to get a real estate license in Illinois. It's a process that requires some dedication and hard work, but the rewards can be well worth it. If you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to reach out.